one is a number and 2 buttons. And after I click OK, I can get, oh, who are you? This ANN is from here. And welcome to our store. You select product, poke is from here. And when the browser sees, oh, you choose the poke, it will show the poke image in here and also show the price of the product. And this one address is come from here. And this one is quantity, and it will times the price of the product and to calculate the total price. So this one is the first class work. And next one is another, this one is another example you need to do by yourself. And this one will also show the information here. Okay, that is another one. And this one is for the BMI. So let's go back to check our first classwork. We will make a order form like this one. So let's go back to our whiteboard. And because this one is a form, so we will write a form. And form is embedded into HTML. So we write HTML in here and slash HTML and this one will write in the body. So body and slash body to the end. And form, we have a form tag FORM and give a name to the form F1 and don't forget slash form to the end. Okay, so the first one is name. Name is a string, so directly write the name in here. And this one is the input. And user can type anything in here, so this one is an input, INPUT. The type for this kind of input is called TYPE equals to TEXT test, because the user can type anything, any character, and even number. And each input field has a name. So in here we call the name for this field, but we cannot use name because name is a keyword. So I just made a C in front of a name. C name means customer name. So give a name, an AME is equals to C name. Okay. After that, I will go to the next row. So I will use BR to shift to next row. The other row is address, so ADDRESS address. And this one is also an input, so input. The type is also text because he can type a lot of things in here and give a name for here. This one is address, ADDRESS. And address is also a keyword, so I can add a character C in front of address. So once again, give a BR in here. And this one is a new one. Today we will talk about this one. This one is a draw down box. So he has a draw down button in here. So after the customer press this icon, he will show up how many items inside. For example, pork, beef, chicken. And user can choose any one of them. So this one is an input, but it's not this kind of input. This one is called a select, SELECT, SELECT. So for this kind of input, we write the product UCT, and this one is a select, SELECT. And select also has a field name. This one is product, so I give a name, NAME equals to product, PRODUCT. And select, we have a select, slash select in the end. And every item inside the select is one option. So for each item, we use a option, option, and write down the item name, pork, and slash option to the end. And this one is the first item. Next one is beef, so option and beef slash option to the end. And next one is chicken, is also option, so option CHICKEN, chicken slash option. So this one is a drawdown box, drawdown item, so the user can choose any one of it. And so let's go to write the code. So go back here, and this one is a HTML inside, so slash HTML, and then write inside the body, BODY, so body slash body to the end, and everything are write within a form, FORM. Give a name for the form, we call it F1, and the end will be slash form to the end. And let me save the file first to check whether I have a typos. So file, save as to CWMP64 here. And this one is HW, how much? 5, 6, okay, 6.php. And all types. Don't forget to change the extend file. And save it. So this one is blue one, this one is red one. Red one is attribute. So everything good. So the first item is a name. Here, name. Okay, then AME, and after that we have an input. The type of input is text, TEXT, and give a name to the field we call CNAME. And give a BR to shift to next row. And this one is address, ADDRESS. And this one is also an input. The type of this address is also text. Give a name for the field that is called C address, ADDRESS. Okay, also give a BR. And this one is product, PRODUCTS. And this one is a drawdown list, so this one is a select. Give a name for it, so this one is product, PRODUCT. And the end will be slash select. Okay, so everything good. And inside of it, we have a lot of items. Each item is one option. So the first one is option, and the name for the option is pork, and slash option to the end. Next one is beef and chicken, so change to beef, BEEF. This one is chicken, CHICKEN. Okay, so everything is done, and let me check whether this one is workable. And first thing I need to do is open WMP server in here. So I go to the desktop and turn on the WMP64 and let it become a green one. So right now is red one, and change to yellow one, and after that we can get the green one. And after that, green one is good. So let me go back here and check whether this website is workable. So we use a localhost slash. This file name is whw6.php. So after enter, we can get the form, and here we can type anything, address, we can type anything. And product is a drawdown box, is a select, so we can choose any one of them. Okay, I just stop here, and you can screenshot or take a photo by your cell phone.